Welcome. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to easily remove your birth date from your X account. Whether you want to enhance your privacy or simply don't want to share that information anymore, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, launch the X app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile settings. Next, tap your profile icon. You can find your profile picture or the navigation menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile overview. Once you're there, tap on Profile. This will bring up all the details associated with your account. Now, it's time to tap Edit Profile. This option allows you to make changes to your profile information, including your birth date. Locate and tap on Birth Date. Here, you'll see the information you've entered before, including your birth date. To remove it, simply tap on Remove Birth Date at the bottom of the screen. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your action. Finally, confirm your step. Once you do this, your birth date will be successfully removed from your profile. And that's it! You've now learned how to remove your birth date from your X account. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.